Hey all, welcome to the channel. This is Astha, and guys, in this video we're going to discuss about a very good opportunity. This opportunity is coming from Cognizant company. If you are looking for a job or if you have preparing for any off-campus drive, guys, don't miss this video. This video is going to be very important because they are hiring for the position of Gen Z developer. Cognizant is one of the very good company to work with, and they are hiring all the candidates for this position. We're going to see in detail about the eligibility criteria, how you have to apply, what will be your job role, how much package they are offering, and what are the interview rounds, how you need to prepare your resume, all the details in this video. So please guys, don't miss this video, okay, and do apply for the opportunity as soon as possible. I'll give you all the last dates to apply also, okay. So before proceeding, I would like to tell you guys, Cognizant hiring for this position only 2021 batch candidates. So if you belong to any other batch, and if you want, you can skip the video, no problem with that guys. But this opportunity is really good. If you have any of your friend or someone who belongs to 2021 batch, please do watch the video and share this opportunity with those people, okay, or all 2021 batch candidates. Cognizant hiring for the position of Gen Z developer, and the compensation that they're offering is up to 4.5 lakhs per annum. Guys, we'll see in detail afterwards. First, we'll see about the job description. What will be the role of Gen Z developer? See, Gen Z developer should understand business requirements, raise clarification, create understanding, documents, ensure complete understanding of the requirement by asking clarifying questions and align oneself to it. Okay, understand the agile application development environment, deliverable due and follow the cycles, provide inputs to create low-level design for multiple components, develop, maintain, test, debug and deploy code as per the requirement specification, understand the data, that is requirements, and develop test scenarios, identifies and prioritize tasks to meet deadlines, proactively addressing issues and mitigating points of failure, takes ownership to deliver on own goals in a timely and effective manner. You should participate in a member of project team in meetings and technical sessions to develop reliable, cost-effective and high-quality solutions. Continuously upskill, reskill and cross-skill to scale up to new technologies. Guys, you should possess excellent communication skills, written communication skills and ability to work coherently in a team. So this is the job description, guys. I hope you all got the description. Now the last date to apply for this profile is 11th June night, that is 11:59 p.m. So guys, you have to apply before that, and I suggest apply as soon as possible because I don't want you to miss this opportunity. It's a really good opening, guys, if you belong to 2021 batch. Okay, now we'll see the eligibility criteria. So guys, you belong if you belong to 2021 batch of BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and MS software engineering, 5-year integrated course degree students are allowed. Okay, so all BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and MS software engineering is allowed, guys, and no other candidates allowed, like no BCA and no other candidates are allowed for this opportunity. Now, consistent academic record of a minimum of 60% in 10th, 12th, diploma, undergraduate and postgraduate. Okay, so you should have 60% in all your degrees, like if you have done your डिप्लोमा, अंडर ग्रेजुएट, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन और 10th 12th सब में आपका 60% होना ज़रूरी है गाइज. उससे कम अगर परसेंटेज है, प्लीज़ डोंट अप्लाई, डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम because all these companies, MNC companies, they are really strict related to the percentage criteria. Okay, and they do document verification afterwards. So when they'll caught you that you have mentioned wrong percentages, you are not meeting the criteria, eligibility criteria, they'll not allow you. Okay, so please don't waste your time. If you are eligible, then only you need to apply. Along with that, no standing arrears are allowed. Okay, students applied for re-evaluation and waiting for the results would be considered with the initial results as declared. So if you have applied for any re-evaluation, guys, or waiting for the results, don't worry, you can apply, but your first result, okay, your initial result will be declared, will be considered here. Okay, now appropriate CGPA to percentage conversion to be considered as per university norms. Strong written and communication skills you should have, open only to Indian nationals, flexible to relocate to anywhere in India, work in shift and domain. So guys, if you want to work with an MNC company, you all should be flexible with anywhere, like anywhere in India, flexible with location, with shifts, with domain, everything. Because if you're working with MNC, you have to deal with all those things. Now, student information will see request the eligible students to appear for Cognizant batch campus selection process. Okay, only if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, then only you have to apply. The Cognizant Human Resources Gen Z program team will extract the registered students database from the portal, shortlist the eligible students, and shall share the test link. Okay, so guys, once you apply, once you done with your application submission, afterwards their team, okay, their Gen Z programmer team will extract all the databases and shortlist all the candidates. Then after that you will receive a test link from their site. Okay, request the placement offer to guide only the eligible candidates to register. 2021 graduates who have already applied or appeared for Cognizant Gen Z campus recruitment drive in 2020 shall not be eligible for this campus recruitment drive. So guys, अगर आपने already अपने college में जब ये off campus हुआ on campus हुआ होगा Gen Z developer के लिए 2020 में, अगर आपने register किया था, आपने apply किया था, तो this time you are not allowed. Okay, students must upload their resume with embedded photograph, all academic documents including school certification and college semester mark sheets. Government ID proof is scanned as one PDF file during the test registration. Okay, and this is a mandatory process, guys. So at the time of registration only, you have to upload your resume, all academic documents, school certification, college semester mark sheets, and government ID proof is scanned in one PDF. आपको ये सब कुछ scan करना है, एक PDF में save करना है, and then you need to upload it. And this is a mandatory process. अगर आप ये नहीं करेंगे तो they will not give you test links. Okay. Students should have soft copies of the below mentioned documents ready to be shared during online interview. Okay, आपके पास सभी documents की soft copy भी होनी चाहिए. अगर कोई marksheet नहीं आई है आपके पास, no problem guys, जो हैं आपके पास आप वो submit कर सकते हैं if you are waiting for your marksheets and all. Okay, then students should have soft resume maximum 2 copies, 2 pages with high resolution passport size photograph embedded. Both ears must be visible. Light background. All academic mark sheets and certificates for verification. Aadhaar card, passport, front and back page, PAN card if available. Okay, so you have to be ready with all these documents, guys, before registering and before online interview. Okay. Now we'll see about the Gen Z developer selection process. So guys, first round is aptitude test. First you need to do the registration, fill your application form. After that, you'll get a test link from their company side if your CV got shortlisted, if you meet all the eligibility criteria. Okay, you will get aptitude, you need to give aptitude test. If you clear the round 1, that is the aptitude test, you need to go for second round. Second round then go to ask you technical, cognitive abilities and the right attitude GNC interview. Okay, if you clear both these rounds, you will get the Cognizant offer, that is Gen Z offer, and starting they'll give you 4 lakhs per annum. Okay, 401,986 per annum initial compensation, and afterwards they'll give you post probation period, you will get 4.50500 means 4.5 lakh per annum. Okay, so this is the package, guys, that they're offering. Before joining, Cognizant recommended a skill certificate plus college graduation score of greater than 60%. So आपका जो final percentage होना चाहिए college degree का, that should be more than 60%. And okay, so these are the interview rounds you need to go for. Okay, so and here in this way you need to fill your registration form, guys, and before 11th June you have to apply. Okay, application deadline is 12th June 12 a.m. means 11th June in the night 11:59 you have your applications will be closed. Okay, so Gen Z developer Cognizant profile is this pan India, they are hiring, guys, they are open for all the locations. Okay, so this is the profile you need to apply. I'll give you a link in the description box. You just go read out all the points. I have already give all points in this video. You need to read out again and then apply. You need to click on apply now. To apply, guys, you should have a registration on Superset platform. If you don't have, just register on the Superset. It is very easy. You just need to register with your email ID and password. Okay, and then you will get such portal. Okay, here you need to fill all your details. First, your basic details, that is your contact number, your name, your parents' name, or everything, all those details. Then your contact details, your address, your email ID. Okay, then the third section is most common and recent education. आपका जो भी बैचलर्स डिग्री है उसकी डिटेल्स आपको यहाँ पर फिल करनी है विथ परसेंटेज, योर कॉलेज नेम, एवरीथिंग. यू विल गेट ऑल दिस डिटेल्स. ड्रॉप डाउन बॉक्स में आपको आपका कॉलेज का नाम मिल जाएगा, डिग्री मिल जाएगी. यू जस्ट नीड टू क्लिक ऑन दैट. Okay, then you have previous education means 12th and 10th marks and everything. Next one is internship and work experience. If you have any internship done or work experience, you have to mention that thing. Okay, then profile photo and documents. So all this is the procedure. All the best guys. If you face any problem during the registration application, you can ask me in the comment box, no problem. I'll do that thing for you. And guys, it's a really good opportunity. Go ahead, apply for the same. There are no application charges, no fees you have to pay. Okay, you just need to do registration with all your documents and resume. Prepare your resume very nicely guys, so that your CV gets shortlisted here, because they're going to have a look on your CV also for your shortlisting. All the best guys, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for all such latest updates from my side related to recruitment process, job updates. Along with that, how you need to prepare for Cognizant. I'm going to deliver all the material, study material, their preparation, their test pattern, everything in my next videos. Okay, so please do subscribe to the channel, don't forget that. Thank you.